Well, welcome back. Episode 3 of the Performance Bagger build. Haven't really made any progress. Just been cleaning stuff up, trying to figure out where I'm going, some things. I got some parts back from POWDERCOAT. They look phenomenal. Look so good. Wonder what crazy color I went with, but just went back to a nice stock glossy black on my wheels. Everything, because the Harley POWDERCOAT sucks. But check these out. Oh, that looks so much better. Every time you see these wheels on any of the new specials, they just always look dirty. Like they never look good. We got that, and then the lower's all redone for the 49mm front end. Got this axle from Hideout Cycles. These are red right now. Buddy I bought it from ended up not running it. He was on a red, and that's not going to stay that way. I'm going to change it up. Got ourselves a new chain. Old chain worn out, front sprocket. Just redoing some stuff. All new seals for everything. For the 49mm swap. Top out springs. Got the Nix 30 coming from Big Bear. That should be here fairly soon, and we'll do a video on the install for the Nix 30. Yeah, just gonna keep playing around. And then those fairing lights that I left off on, I got a 3D printer and drew something up, and we will show you. This is my first attempt at it for the backing plate. Did that, looks sweet. You can see all the layers, and then you get to the back side, and what happened here. I'm still learning how to use this thing. So then second attempt, we did it. And I was like, all right, I'll print it, you know, because there's a curve to it. I was like, I'll print it on a upscale up. And you get to the other side and it's just a disaster. So then I went to the third time and I printed, you know, the actual lenses. And I did this and it looked good. Well, actually on this guy, I have a little bevel, and then that sunk in, and it didn't really turn out right. So then we ended up going to this one. We did that, and it's just too tight. When I ended up putting it together, it cracked. So we made some adjustments, and here is my finished product that I'm thinking. You know, it's gonna be colored and everything, you know, it's just prototyping. I printed this one flat, so that got rid of some of those issues with it. But we'll grab this. Oh, Chase gave me some speaker guards. Yeah, thanks, bud. But from the sizing on this point to there, oh, popping all apart on me. We'll just try one piece. This is the backing plate right there, and the sizing is pretty dang close to what I was looking for. So that turned out pretty sweet. For what I don't know right now is if I'm going to put this on the inside and then cut out all where the tape is, and then that, but you got to fit up in there when you have this fairing off, and then there's a speaker pod right behind it, and you can't really get it to fit in there right. So I'd probably have to modify the speaker pod. So then I'm wondering if I can get away with this being fully external. You know, I'd love to be, you know, as slim as possible, you know, because then if it was that way, you know, these fit up together like that, and then it'd be very slim on the outside. So those speaker or fairing lights would turn out pretty sweet. Did that for both sides. Next up, I think I got to tear down the motor, redo all these coatings. You know, they're just absolutely terrible. Bolts, I did the black ARP, and they get rusty. So we're gonna play around with that, maybe tear some things down today, or Still don't have any update on the back bags. I haven't worked on it yet, but we will get to it and see how everything works out.